Are you having fun?
That's grooming.
Well, the fun thing is I tried to come here without an expectation. But the experience that I've had was super. Honestly, on the first day, when I arrived here in Estonia, Tartu, I felt like, I feel very sad. You know, it's like too quiet, not so many people. But now with all of you guys, you know, the classmates, teachers, everyone, I feel like, you know, I don't want to go back.
I don't like myself, but it's been great. Mind-changing, I would say. Great experience in which I met fabulous people, like-minded people, people who want to contribute to a change back in their countries, and people who are eager to share their experiences. The highlights of the sessions in August for me here.
Well, I would say the overall atmosphere here, like on a daily basis, because I felt like I was part of something bigger. Everybody had the opportunity to express themselves, their thoughts, even ask like so many questions, just wander around.
Have been working in different patterns each and every day. Nothing was the same another day.
When I came here, I saw a lot of people with different background and with different experience, and the collaboration and communication with them gave me the big shift in my mindset.
These people were absolutely from very different backgrounds. Some of them were primary teachers, the other from secondary, the others just educated from different organizations, teacher trainers.
And I think that was the single most important thing to me, that experience of talking with, arguing with, discussing with people from all over the world.
You know, it's really interesting to see from another point of view that all around the world, it doesn't matter if you're in Latvia, Estonia, Mexico, Colombia, Japan, and we deal with the same daily problems. We still are looking for the solutions. We still want to do everything as good as we can.
If we were on distance, that would be impossible. And here, those 10 days, these days are just like, you know, magic days.
Should I come up with the questions for myself? I was a bit anxious because I did not know how exactly it would work out. And as soon as I came to the on-site meeting and met the team who is making available all these opportunities for us and my group and study mates, I just realized that it's really nice and there's no space for worry and anxious.
I was accustomed to traditional learning and teaching process with some kind of assignment, with some kind of deadline. And now I see that exploration and some kind of discovery, self-discovery, first of all, that's a great thing.
We talked about, practical tools and instruments. We also had a lot of room for reflections and discussions.
We were given a lot of chance to decide what to do, when to do, and how to do. And that, I would say that, in a way it was a new thing for me, because in my country, it's not that frequent that teachers and professors and lecturers give you that much choice and the freedom.
For me, I think the most revealing or like biggest revelation part was to go in depth a little bit on AI.
This is the buzzing topic, but I was thinking, well, what it could be.
I guess like many of us, I've played with AI toys before.
And today actually I had the answer, how it actually works in practice and what it could be like if we start implementing this all in education.
As a group, think about how that could develop and how us as edtechs could improve that or make it usable for teachers. That was a very revealing thing for me, like blew my mind in a way.
Takeaway would be this tinkering mind. You know, from day one, we started tinkering.
You have an opportunity to explore.
I really like this, mindset because being in working as a teacher, we don't have time. We are always stressful, and we tend to forget this mind of tinkering, playing around with so many things. So I would like to bring that to my workplace, and sometimes I want to go tinkering with them. Yeah.
And of course, the feeling of being part of this institution is very, very interesting, because I feel like I can be part of at the same time of the real life that I am used to in the business world, but I can contribute with some, maybe some original, hopefully content or research to share with the rest. And
so I really want to do something to help my community. I want, that's my purpose here. I want to use whatever I can learn here to apply it in my community and to actually make my students' life better. So I am still not sure how to accomplish that, because I have learned now that I have so many options, so many different ways in which I can make an impact. So we'll see.
I was really nervous when I was coming here for probably because I'm from Russia, and I didn't know what to expect from people here, and I'm so happy that I have met everybody, and all of my classmates were perfect, and they were really on my wave. Yes, but it's the best experience I ever had.
It's great to be there. Thank you.
Thank you for gathering us here.